Hey guys, Matt here. Today's hiking adventure brings me to Orange Creek Restoration Area near Citra, Florida. And today I'll be doing the South Track. It says it's around a little over 9 miles. But yeah, I was gonna try to go out last week, but my shoe must have been rubbing on the side of my foot, and it wasn't quite a blister, but it was sure bugging me a lot, so kind of took it easy last week. But it's feeling a little bit better, so just thought I'd do a kind of a smaller hike this week, just make sure it's all right. Make sure I don't aggravate it any worse, because you know how feet problems can be with hikers, so don't want to take any chances. So hopefully I'll be back for a longer Florida trail hike next week or next time. But it's a real nice day, nice and warm. It's probably low 80s, but luckily there's no humidity, so that's always good. But yeah, it's been definitely warm the last week or so. But I think by next weekend it's supposed to be back to the normal in the low to mid 70s, so that'll be nice. But this one right now, almost for the beginning part, looks like a little bit of almost like a little trail, like a forest like service road kind of thing, but it looks like there might be some cows on the trail somewhere, because when you first get off the parking area, it says make sure to close the gate because of cattle, so might come across some cows sometime on the trail, but have that many times on the trail, so. But anyway, I'll get back to the guys in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm almost 3.5 miles down the trail and been going real nice. Trail's real nice and dry, and it's been a real nice day. It's been a nice breeze and stuff. And have some of the drone footage. That's Orange Lake. So there was another place where you could walk down, looked like almost like a boat launch. I walked down there and took some pictures and stuff. But yeah, I don't know, this All Trails, whoever did this All Trails, I don't know, they went up and then it looks like they started most of the trails on like the white trail or whatever, and then it looks like they started on continuing on the red, and then they decided to turn around and walked all the way back and then did the other side of the white. And if they would have just kept going on, looks like if they would have kept going on the red, continued onto the red, it would have connected and made a bigger loop. So I kind of backtracked back to the junction of the red and white, and now I'm just going on the red here and make a big loop out of it. That's the problem sometimes when you follow somebody's like user submitted All Trails. If they get lost or decide to turn around or make it a short hike, then you know the app's like going, "You're off trail." I'm like, no, they were off trail, or they didn't want to walk all of it or something. So, but anyhow, you'll have that when you follow All Trails. But other than that, it's been going real nice. I haven't seen too much. Saw some squirrels and some birds, but other than that, haven't seen anybody and haven't seen anything else. So, all right, guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm about 6.25 miles down the trail, a little over that, and it's going real nice. Well, here's the final update on the trail. I guess there's 3 kind of loops, like a white one, red, and then at the end there's another smaller one. It's the yellow loop. So I ended up, after I backtracked, just went up the side of the yellow and then hit red, then the yellow, and then that's pretty much the end of the area, and then you loop it back around and come back down the other side. So Be interesting to see what the total is. I'm guessing probably a little more than 9, but other than that, it's going real nice. Saw a few turtles. Here's a little bit of it, but other than that, that's about all I saw. So I haven't seen anybody. So, and I still haven't seen any cows. So they must be somewhere else or something. I don't know. But I always think that's weird. I know the one time I was hiking and I saw it. I'm like, man, I've never seen cows grazing in the woods. that kind of like shocked me a little that time. But I guess you gotta graze them where you can, I guess. But so, all right, guys, I'll get back with you when I get back. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. Well, I made it back. It ended up being just under 8 miles. So their 9 miles must have been hiking, backtracking on that whole side of the loop or whatever. But otherwise, it was still a nice walk, nice hike. You know, real nice day. You know, a little warm for this time of year, but other than that, it's real nice. Trail was nice and dry, kind of sandy in a few spots, and some spots were kind of like almost like a little, you know, maintenance road or something. But other than that, it's real nice. And nice views of the lake down there, and a lot of old oak trees, and then some, you know, some spots with a lot of pines and stuff. So other than that, it's really nice. So, well, it took me just a little over 3 hours to do this. But this was the Orange Creek Restoration Area here near Citra, Florida. Well, as always, I do thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I sure love it if you hit the like button for me. If you have anything for me, let me know down below in the comments and make sure to get back to you. Well, this is Matt signing off. I'll see you next time. All right, thanks guys.